Kwasia. I don't blame her. I blame the NDC in Kwasia for. NDC in penny form of Jimmy. NDC in penny form Muni Munyansa. You are the ones I blame.
And why another home match? Also, me PENYAH home match here. Many home. If you talk at me, many do. Me perfume talk more. It's my catchers of Munya with it. I said, yes, yeah. Hey, see a dear fit. Never met you. One time you could have travel. Or the camp of the NDC, there's a serious confusion. I'm now no party food soldiers. Busama Hama near this for they say, where are the jobs? Where are the promises that they made to them? Boss now we say and into Mujina so to Abanma woman. Where are the promises? TikTok is my other clash with them. I'm a say as when in this catch it. My mom tribunal to the wagon amame. Ewa comment section. I PENYAH Block Media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video no down my subscribe button and back the beneficial confidence. I'll be stand back to the wagon amame. Ewa comment section. Obasoa. No share for any be ashe. So yeah, quite about you already, but didn't catch the base. You won't say we want my NDC catch you to know any convincing woman. Bako any 24-hour economy. I say Omu can say a Formula 133. A Juma Bako Nipa Miensa. Omu run a 3 shift. You be call no panel point we are no we are go point you no we call you go point the next day no pa. Just say Omu come and 70 years the say but enuma the ebe buso oh he. Oh da na the nyuma ball pun. Juma fo anka se na ba be ball pun se bla be ya juma juma bu. Omu kan sem bebrebe obi a pe adwuma aye kana se obi a pe adwuma aye ene ade ade ama yese na ka anije eba but when for say de wu hu no enye sa ndete what you see is not what you get. As no policy, as no promises on campaign grounds and as no reality and your pet boss said yeah me to me make more promise of heaven. Even Muhammad said that when you want power, you can even promise heaven. Muhammad once said it. But I said, we tend not to give attention to politicians. So we make it jokes, and someone cannot. That's the reality. So we make it jokes, and someone come with this, and only the true nature. But I said, but still, these food soldiers, they were shouting, Eyezu, Eyeza, Eyezu, Eyeza. I was asking myself, Eyezu, Eyeza, you know, mumusa terms and conditions kakra. But still, don't go for the muntiasi. Omo shanti. Mahama eba adwuma wura adwuma pa aban papa aba ye benya adwuma ye ye be de sa there was akwa say 1 year down the lane ya twi omadi ya twi omadi ama ya za ka shiru we say mungo to indobi.
Sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see whether that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you are doing is having a small Indomie joint? That gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day. And you have about 10 of those Indomie joints. How much are you making a day? That's about 2,000 Ghana cedis a day. That's, if you're just a young person, that's what you're doing. Can you imagine 2,000 Ghana cedis a day? 10 days, how much is that? That's 20,000 Ghana cedis. In 30 days, how much is that? It's about 60,000 Ghana cedis. How many jobs will give you 60,000 Ghana cedis a month? Immigration, Ghana Police Service, GRA, no one will pay that much. So Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out of the youth unemployment situation. Otherwise, I fear that we may just crash. And that is the honest truth. But young people don't want to be told the honest truth. I know they should find a job. Okay.
24-hour economy no yes master munya o twa ya forget it ko ton indobi zika o mu ko ye indobi business the zika o hono mo just boss na o mu share wo mu no aya something which is there now no mu sa frame penifon company for ni fo mu ko woni tua pass any pass me sam na menim ne bokusu atafre campaign time no frame me frame no but now o from kwa na o mu fa amebuso ani braba etu comedian ne so free mind and this ni free mind one some of the NDC party soldiers omuni penifo na be clash na enye yesi woni se ka kire heat party ebi wom
asembe na wo ka kire me a ema mi gina so to abama ho NDC government asembe na wo NDC government wo ka kire me a ema me citizen me gini ye ehunu se NDC government is the best asembe na wo ka kire me Jesus o ma meti asese Jesus oba power Odi bibi beba 24 hours economy. Why is the 24 hours economy? Oh, my mate, I say 24 hours economy, no. A bed benefit me, mommy, a bed benefit me, papa, a bed benefit Ganani, a bed benefit me, brother. So, what is the 24 hours economy? Police now what they buy and away. Okay, me be so. What is 24 hours economy? What is 24 hours economy? Because NPP and the Nana Kufuado are the policy buy. Policy not they buy any free SHS. Wabe for fairly. Or the free SHS nearby. Where is the 24 hours economy? I want to ask. I have right to ask. Because Mama Yacha says it's a democracy. It's not about you short anymore. Most video number President on Dramani Mahama. Most Mano.
Jesus.
Me bisa say what me yendi cinema pa. Me yendi cine pure. Me bisa say what is the 24 hours economy? My brother is waiting for the 24 hours economy job to do. My sister is waiting for 24 hours economy to do. Because on team ko police, because on team ko soldier, because on team bank manager, or put me ye from Juma. What in America say? So what is the 24 hours economy? Or 24 hours economy? No. Now I am praying. No. Let us call the truth. Are we not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Uti yanfare. A whole of Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso we. Let me catch the Ghana for say my bound me more tomatoes beam. What the hell? What a fucking shit, man, baby. What a fucking shit. Say a whole of Burkina Faso say me wo Ghana my bando me more tomatoes beam. All because of our leaders. All because of our leaders. What are you saying? And the young man two kwanko abrochi, ekwaye tomatoes ayi farm. Young man to muko abro two kwanko abrochi, ekwaye cleaning, all because of ya tuchi ya na wo mutia wa Ghana hale nye. But you are there watching. So why is the 24 hours economy? As a Ghanaian, as an NDC member, why is the 24 hours economy? Policy now what they buy in a way. And I am Trana.
I don't blame her. I blame the NDC for NDC penny for Jimmy. NDC penny for Muni Munyansa. You are the ones I blame. Now NDC in tears is a Munya special. I'll be honest here. I'm a farmer one example. Say, penny for be. Me friend one mon fano. Me here will shield. Hanabisiu. Minuaba Hanabisiu. Me kase minuaba because me mame firstborn. Ewo 54 years. Ono ye pe. Inti wo ye minuaba penny. 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa. Me twa interview wa how. Mame. Me twa interview. Me no na me ne wontam ye fine. Me ba Ghana ina ye shia kama me ni nkoto be shia kama ye shia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na ye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing we school na adwuma ba be ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ashim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message you don't even read me nim se me frewu asabio wadwen ye o se me besrewu me wan so me sre oskada me NDC ni bia di ho amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frame me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me say nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor.
Sir Kevin Taylor achemadieda, which of course wachemadieda e onua kasa na kumemu ena odi chairman man sreno menya sesrefo enti ye fremu na se momfa e mama dwe nya mu se ye fremu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time. Eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia de na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. Can't promise any NDC member say me boa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. And they mean to me because of musubai. With musem what thing, with trim what thing, why you say change say barre. Mo de credo at mo panty mo. No problem. Me man also boxer credo pa, credo kotokuro pa de dem. Mo de montana se na mutiri mu nya den. Na mo no matamfo. Na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene. O hine baba mo ba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka say ye fremo kra mo mfa biem. Nurudi na bas mu nyina. Na ye ne nwa na ekọ na eba o. Ene hu ko kra ofa. Wadwe ne se me fro se me hia ka. Ana se me fro se me hia dan ana se me fro se me ministerial bibia na mo bodam. Say kan biem le saka. Se kwasi aba wait na Ghana ha ye campaign tiamo na se ne mwatimi sponsor say onko UK nko kire kwasi asemo dia ene ye mo kire Ghana for say the easiest way to win the love of NDC is to be against them, insult them and campaign against them. When they get power, they will come and help you, the one who campaigned against against them, yeah, whilst neglecting those who campaigned in favor of the NDC. Usubang tried and tested. We know how you people operate and do your things. Boys snake say your friend mu amon fani ade. I say be a boys no hia bibio. Of course, mo bua omo a enche omo. Now so fefe na efe say obi e campaign ma NDC ne isa ni pa betimi atwe phone. Afre wo hanabisiu. Afre NDC mu mpanimfo bi na magye ne so etise kakakra o. We de beti won ka ache etise crack kakakra efe. Etise kakakra mpo no efe. Your new ambassador waba Nairobi hasi. Or your former Western Regional Minister, Mr. Edu. Oba ya me kwachiano. Neni aji say to me frame etise dia na ekoso odwuma no say ne sikwani efe. Me nka sebi uluman family nkwa agbochi na ase wonya mehwe but say ne ye so ya na say ne ye ani paka ne ho ben wo appreciating the fact say uyo obi a wo ye adwuma bo ani party say po kekekura efe no na ni pape o ba mo di ejimi eni atrimodin neglect atrimodin ya na dem bia me ka say Ghana ha ye ka omu atrimodin pa aigbefuo ene ntafo omtrimodin brutal omo so na edoso wo NDC ene me ka ni pain ewes awunafo eni atrimodin cho awunani be say awunafo ba enum timi kopia brochire ya mu abusuani ba kompo. The same thing applies to nordiness. You tribute den you de check on Chelsea. The same thing applies to Ewes. Now so yes say sa ompe or train cross semua uyi ni America. Yam pass and the four sem kra as and the four a bag giving as and the four trimu nya din omo sem omre. Asantini ba akutumi kopie yayi abrochire US landing within 10 years. Not the busiafo be ensia enson wase so mu nyina akọ eweni onye obesa kra to oduru kra sa ekum not the na penny onye omutrimo sum omutrimo odin. That is why where they are is like that, because the one crab bunya ska ye nko ekrom nkosiesie ho da omu nyina egu akra ye sorry a na asandefo hu nsem na ye ka mi hu ano asandefo sikafo nyina. Even if you see them in Accra omosi dai okumase almost dying where you kurum. I'm gonna phone this not necessarily this anymore. Almost soon a dozen NDC mu almost 3 more thing. I'm telling you people, me say the American me say Ghana for a pen of credit penny for name asantini ba akoko pia bochire na busuafo nyina enyo nyina de. I'm talking in terms of so yi as at the 420 a move 15 kopia bochire na busuafo nyina obeya manasa obia Ewes oboa your partner so be fi na chu asan entafo chia etimo sumtimo dini edi omusu bana na ndc mpanifo pi na nso afa yenyi aye mo amogbo ndc yenyi mo aye da me ebesi ne obia ni ho a wache phone pokra frame aka say bia o chairman mo ye aduma pa na party no damase nobody iti ana me ka say binum ka say and you are on payroll maybe payroll asia na me say me monthly me can say expenditure ampo de chire ndc don't run away from me. Sika me spend it in a month. Me send the man ndc don't run. No I can say obi da payroll so me da payroll so ndc na hwe me. Hwe when ya ndc hwe me. Can they pay my rent? Can they pay my bills? Oh but damn. Me ya men kasa pi nti mo de se mo sise ya na mo pe na mo de mo nko ni sa. Guy boys na twem was down. Grassroots for asiel for omo twem. Se mo de mo say kwasiafo say ya na mo de musika ebu a omo a the boys are waiting for you. They are down there, they are waiting for you. Na enchenche bia ho na fe eden ya mampani mahama ne mrebetwem. Na se mampani mahama di ho da che bia ene ebehwe ni besi within ndc moa. Mini at the chairman free mind. Until next time, I'm out.
Central region, MPP is likely to take 4 seats. You guys don't know what is happening. Look, people can shout for you, but the truth of the matter is that any scandalous, but President Mahama taking decision as soon as possible. And this is for me, Mopa munyai. Eti ministers ni bebre jaya adwuma na omo ye no omo president adi. Ministers ni na jaya adwuma na omo ye no obi a president adi. Hey! Moye careful. Na sama Hamadi one term no call ya. And this bet me say the one term. Mama ma dwe nya adwuma. Sabe anti bi fa chebe munjai jimi no. Na mo fa ma dwe no tu table no so. Na mo start ehunu se. Party for now from Hona de mobile. You have neglected them. Me this me party card the crowd me kwaji. But me yanji yeno me and this for now de mobile now more from Hono branch executives, ward executives, then for full soldiers and kwakra for them marijuana de mobile no our from Hono they are crying. Menya wadwen da. So 2028 we actually ade ama ban lusu election 1 month in administration. In fear na no e boso me ba ko pe na ma lusu election. And this for na wo form ho na dem ba no. Wo mu su enye sika na wo mu pe o. E bia wadwen yo say oh party for no pesika no. Me ko form ho me ne won kasa. Party for na wo form ho no. And yes, obi per car, obi per dine, obi per fridge. No. We must want per recognition. And this is for me, but some betumful. Wow, penny tea, wow, penny jay. Men found who me and this the Triamica, and young people in the Triamica, media general and the Triamica. Party for now, what from Hono? Wamu so I said, look at here, Fifi Quete, Juniors, the party people down there are crying. They are not looking for money. They are not looking for cars. They are not looking for anything. They are asking, say, enti penny for na yetu abama no omo hen. Enu na shase. Enti say, wo hen na wan yuti, wo hen wan ma, wo hen wan fre, wo hen wan ko, wo hen na fe attending to ska, wa ma misika min fiu. Ena de ko kuro mu no eba. As I said by now, ka office of the president, ye wo bia or ye in charge or chef from home. But I say I'm no kase kurano. Who is in charge of the media? So when the man and this for the man catch Ghana from fa the ODMP hunne. O mena do baby and ambulance kura siren is sua drivers in person me kwanchen. Have you realized that? It's a signal that the Ghanaians do not care about anybody in power again.
To the web, your comment, comment section. Hi, PENYAH Media.